If you love woodworking, you know the right tools can completely change the game. Whether you're a weekend hobbyist or a full-time craftsman, having smart, innovative gear makes every project smoother, faster, and more satisfying. That's why we've rounded up 20 insane woodworking tools on Amazon you'll regret missing. From clever measuring gadgets to high-precision cutters and multifunctional machines, these tools are designed to boost your creativity and take your craftsmanship to the next level. Get ready to discover some real workshop game changers. Carpenter Pencil. The Carpenter Pencil set is a must-have for any woodworker seeking precision and convenience. Priced at just $9, it includes 12 durable flat HB pencils, a retractable pen holder, and a universal sharpener. The heavy-duty graphite pencils offer strong, visible marks that resist breaking, while the flat design ensures a secure grip. The retractable holder with a 24-inch cord keeps your pencil handy, even in busy workshops. Plus, the rust-proof sharpener with a built-in stone adds practicality. This complete kit truly enhances accuracy, efficiency, and organization in every woodworking project. Shelf Pin Jig, the going make. Shelf Pin Jig is a reliable woodworking tool built for precision and speed. Priced at $30, it's crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, with 7 hardened drill guides for durability and accuracy. This jig lets you drill 7 1/4-inch holes at perfect 1 and 1/4-inch spacing in one go, saving valuable time. It's ideal for cabinet making, shelf installation, and home DIY projects. The adjustable design fits various edge distances, while the included locating pin enhances flexibility. A perfect choice for professionals and hobbyists seeking clean, consistent results every time. Laser Level Tool. The Huepar Pro Laser Level Tool, priced at $80, is a powerful and precise companion for woodworking and construction projects. Featuring self-leveling, manual, and pulse modes, it ensures accuracy within plus or minus 1/13 inch at 33 feet. Its ultra-bright green beam and 200-foot range make it ideal for indoor and outdoor use. With an 18-hour runtime from a 5,200 mAh Li-ion battery, it's built for long work sessions. The magnetic 360-degree bracket, tripod compatibility, and IP54 durability add versatility and protection. Compact, rugged, and reliable, this laser level delivers professional-grade precision every time. Wood Carving Kit. The Beavercraft Wood Carving Kit, priced at $38, is a complete starter set for anyone eager to explore the art of wood carving. It includes a detail knife, chip carving knife, roughing knife, strop, polishing compound, and a handy canvas roll. Each ergonomic handle ensures comfort for long carving sessions, while the pre-sharpened blades are ready for immediate use. Crafted in Ukraine, the tools reflect true European quality and durability. Perfect for beginners, hobbyists, or even kids, this kit makes woodworking creative, enjoyable, and accessible right out of the box. 4-in-1 Router Jig. The 4-in-1 Router Jig, priced at $25, is a versatile and affordable tool for precise woodworking projects. Designed for compact routers like the Bosch PR20EVS and Makita RT0701C, it ensures compatibility and stability during operation. With careful installation using evenly tightened screws, this jig offers smooth performance and accurate cuts. Its sturdy build helps prevent jamming while maintaining consistent alignment for clean results. Ideal for woodworkers seeking precision and convenience, this jig enhances control and accuracy, making it an essential addition to any workshop setup. NDI Moisture Meter. The NDI Moisture Meter, priced at $60, is an essential tool for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts alike. Offering both pin-type and pinless designs, it provides flexibility for pinpoint readings or quick surface scans. Specialized modes for softwood, hardwood, drywall, and cement boards make it versatile for any project, while the mildew index indicator adds extra safety. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, and the angle sensor plus pinless option protect surfaces from damage. Accurate, user-friendly, and durable, this moisture meter makes monitoring wood moisture levels simple and reliable. Kreg Pocket Hole Machine. The Kreg Pocket Hole Machine, priced at $400, is a game-changer for woodworkers seeking speed and precision. This portable 20-pound machine makes pocket hole joinery fast and effortless. Just drill, drive, and done. It delivers precise, consistent pocket holes with twice the speed and half the effort of manual jigs. The tool-free adjustable fence ensures accurate depth every time, while its durable build handles demanding job sites. Ideal for both professionals and hobbyists, this Kreg tool bridges the gap between woodworking ideas and flawless results, making complex joinery simple and efficient. Abrasive Burnishing Tool. The Abrasive Burnishing Tool, priced at $19, is a versatile and efficient woodworking accessory. Measuring 120 millimeters in diameter and 100 millimeters in length, it features high-quality nylon fibers embedded with aluminum oxide for durability and wear resistance. Ideal for flat, curved, concave, convex, or irregular surfaces, it quickly removes burrs, stains, paint, and finishes, improving polishing efficiency. Compatible with wire drawing or polishing machines, it ensures smooth, even surfaces. Lightweight yet durable, this tool is perfect for enhancing precision and saving time, making it a reliable addition to any woodworker's toolkit. Reciprocating Saw. The Reciprocating Saw, priced at $75, is a powerful and versatile woodworking tool designed for efficiency and ease. Lightweight at just 2 pounds, it allows comfortable one-handed operation, perfect for extended use. Equipped with a 200-watt brushless motor, 15mm stroke length, and 8 high-quality blades, it handles wood, metal, and pipes with precision. Dual 4.0 amp-hour batteries provide extended runtime, while fast charging minimizes downtime. Tool-free blade changes, a built-in LED work light, and a safety lock button enhance convenience and safety, making this saw ideal for both DIYers and professionals. Miter Clamps. The Miter clamps, priced at $50, are essential for achieving precise, professional-quality miter joints. With an ergonomic lever and rotating cam, the 4 hardened teeth firmly grip wood, applying even pressure for flawless glue joints. Built from heavy-duty chrome-plated carbon steel and aluminum alloy, these clamps are durable, rust-resistant, and reliable for years of use. Perfect for window and door casings, picture frames, and cabinet trim, they streamline woodworking projects while ensuring accuracy. Simple to use and highly effective, these miter clamps make perfect joints accessible for both hobbyists and professionals. Wagner Sprayer. The Wagner Sprayer, priced at $59, is a versatile tool for achieving flawless finishes on woodworking projects. Its detail finish front-end nozzle ensures smooth, brush-free results, ideal for trim, cabinets, and furniture. Compatible with all Wagner HVLP sprayers, including FLEXIO and paint-ready models, it handles water or oil-based paints, stains, sealers, and polyurethane. The adjustable flow control and 3 spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and round, allow precise application for any project. Lightweight and easy to use, this sprayer attachment brings professional quality results to every woodworking task. NoCry 6-in-1 Industrial Chainsaw Helmet. The NoCry 6-in-1 Industrial Chainsaw Helmet, priced at $40, is an all-in-one safety solution for woodworking and forestry tasks. Featuring a hard hat, adjustable metal mesh visor, polycarbonate face shield, and 25.9 decibels SNR earmuffs, it delivers full protection for head, eyes, and ears. Its versatile 6-in-1 design allows customization for different tasks, while the ANSI certified components ensure top-notch safety. Comfortable and practical, it fits over glasses or masks and suits both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Durable and reliable, this helmet makes chainsaw work safer and more efficient. Brad Nailer. The Brad Nailer, priced at $110, is a versatile and powerful woodworking tool. Battery-powered and compatible with DeWalt 20-volt max batteries, its brushless motor ensures long-lasting performance with overheat and overload protection. The 2-in-1 design drives 18-gauge brad nails or narrow crown staples effortlessly into softwood, achieving up to 2 nails per second. Safety features like a dual switch mechanism and safety nose prevent accidental firing. Lightweight and ergonomic, with tool-free jam release and selectable trigger modes, this cordless brad nailer is perfect for DIY projects, home improvement, and professional woodworking. Proster Angle Finder. The Proster Angle Finder, priced at $30, is a reliable woodworking tool for precise angle measurements. With a measuring accuracy of 0.5 degrees, it provides clear readings on an easy-to-read LCD display, complete with a data hold function. Its convenient hold button locks angles, and the hanging hole adds practical storage options. Ideal for measuring trays, sloping roofs, handrails, or layout lines in woodworking projects, it ensures accuracy and efficiency. Additional features like automatic shutoff and low battery alarm extend battery life, making this angle finder both practical and user-friendly. Circular Saw Guide. The Circular Saw Guide, priced at $35, is a versatile tool that replaces multiple jigs and even a miter saw for many tasks. Its 4 preset angles, 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees, allow precise cuts on wood and soft metals with ease. The built-in ruler features imperial and metric measurements, simplifying marking and measuring for framing, crown molding, or general woodworking. Its large curved handle ensures a secure grip, while the durable aluminum construction and 14-inch guide rail provide stability and long straight cuts. Makita Cut-Off Tool. The Makita Cut-Off Tool, priced at $150, is a powerful and precise woodworking accessory. Equipped with the Makita-built brushless motor delivering 20,000 RPM, it makes fast, clean cuts with minimal effort. Its ergonomic design allows comfortable one-handed operation, while the conveniently placed switch enables easy forward and reverse control. The depth of cut is adjustable up to 5/8 inch with the included dust collection cutoff guard, which installs tool-free for added convenience. Lightweight, efficient, and user-friendly, this cutoff tool is perfect for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts seeking accuracy and ease. Rafter Square. The Rafter Square, priced at $50, is an essential woodworking tool combining precision, versatility, and durability. It features 2 level vials and a bullseye plumbing vial for accurate measurements. The pivoting arm with locking mechanism and 21 indexed angle presets allow precise angle calculations, while the 10-inch heel adds stability. Crafted from thick aluminum and stainless steel, it's built to last. This combo square doubles as a level, protractor, pitch finder, and multi-angle saw guide, making it perfect for framing, roofing, fencing, carpentry, and welding projects.